Good evening, friends. How are you? So now I have the problem with internet connection. You see, it is showing here it is not connected, and if I see here I have Vodafone connection. So there are two Vodafone 7F005Z and Vodafone 7F00. Confused. So few days ago, few of my friends they were here. We had same problem when we were trying to connect my television with internet. Then there was same problem. Then one of my friends said me that this is for the telephone. This is for telephone and this is for the internet. So he was saying that you have to connect with this. This is for internet and this is for telephone. No idea. It's, I see here the sign of the Wi-Fi. Here also the sign of the Wi-Fi. No idea. Do you have any idea? Please write in the comment section. Thank you.